One thing that I want to mention today, we all are gifted, we all are special, we all have superpowers. The superpowers that we aren't aware about, the superpowers that can change the whole life, that can change the life of others as well, that can work as a major difference in the society. We all have that, but we don't know what kind of powers we have, and we really don't know how we can realize this thing and how to use these powers to overall well-being of ourselves, of the humanity, and of the planet Earth. But still, we all have the superpowers. The moment we realize about these powers, we can make it. The moment we realize about how we can use this or where we need to use, that is the time we will be doing something for the society, for the people, and at that time we'll be able to serve in a real sense, and at that time our life will have a particular meaning, and the meaningful life is one of the beautiful things that everyone should have. And without meaning there is nothing. It doesn't make any sense to live the life which doesn't have any kind of meaning. But the question is how to know we all have powers and we all are special, we all are gifted. The one thing is, nature has designed us the way we can make it in a particular skill, we can make it in a particular sense. We have infinite intelligence in us, but there is a need to use that infinite intelligence to find that thing so that your magnet of life could attract that particular thing and tells to you that you are meant for this particular thing, you are meant for this particular field, you are meant for this particular purpose. And that's how there is a need to use that infinite power of intelligence. We all have intelligence. We all know how to deal with the problems. We all know how to live the life. But still, we don't have that kind of clarity so that we could apply these things in the reality, in the practical, in a real sense. The only purpose is just to find that one thing that excites you. The only purpose is just to find that particular skill, particular goal, particular purpose that may add value in your life and more than in another's life as well. So how to find those powers? How to find those gems that is in us, that are buried by the nature, is in our personality, in our consciousness? The only thing is experiments. Do experiments as much as you can. Do experiments. Try multiple things. Whatever you are looking for that you haven't done in your life, just try those things. Like if you are a professional chef, but you want to write your book, but you don't have any idea, then learn how to write the book. If you are a doctor and you want to learn music, then just learn the music. Learn how to sing, learn how to compose, learn how to write, learn how to play any particular instrument. Try different kind of things. It doesn't necessary that we only can serve with one skill. We can serve in a different way as well. Like I'm a YouTuber, I'm making a video, but I still have desire to learn rap, how to record the rap, how to write the rap. And that's why I'm trying to learn all these kind of things through my YouTube videos. I'm trying to train my mind to reconstruct my thoughts so that I could think meticulously when I need to, and I'm preparing myself just for that extra skill. My purpose is different, but that is my extra skill, and for that particular thing I am preparing myself right now. Try different things, go into that different experiences, and in this way you will find what really means to you, what really you want, what really excites you, what really makes your life entertaining, interesting, fascinating. It is not only that extra skill for service, it will be the extra service for yourself as well. It will be the extra skill for serve your soul, not only for the others, for yourself as well. That is your power. When we try different things, when we learn through different courses, when we go to different seminars, when we shadow any particular person who is performing in a particular career and he's nailing it, and we are learning by just spending some time with himself or herself, and that's how we are nurturing ourselves. We are enriching ourselves in a different experiences, different learnings, different perspective, and that's how we are making our life flavorful. And it is the only way to find your real powers. And sometimes we try to learn the thing just because we just want to learn that thing, and that is enough. Initial love is necessary because we want to learn that thing, and this initial love will help you a lot to keep engaging you in those activities. And having different kind of experience is just an attitude. If you have this kind of attitude, it means you are living your life to the fullest. And if you have this kind of enthusiasm, you are living your life in a true sense. You are making the most of it. For the people who feels like their life is boring, sluggish, lethargic, there is no fun in their life, the main problem is people don't want experiment. People don't want changes in their life. People just want to keep doing the monotonous thing that becomes tamed at the particular period of time. And they feel like there is no fun inside the life. There is nothing in the life. And they just want to keep spending their time the way they are spending right now. This is our problem. When we believe in this particular thing, like we need to explore each and everything. I want a different kind of experience. I want to learn different kind of culture. I want to learn different languages. I want to try this course, this seminar. I want to learn about how to develop communication skill. I want to learn how to make friends, and I want to learn how to run the business. I want to learn how to run the campaigns. The way we believe in this particular thing, automatically our life becomes fascinating. There is a need to do the experiments. The more experiments you do, the more you will find something new in yourself. And the more you will find something new, the more you want to know more about yourself. And this is the thing that everyone should do to make our life fascinating. Because in this way, we are not just only learning new things, we are developing so many skills in ourselves. And these kind of skills never waste our time. These skills sometimes work for ourselves. Sometimes those experiences prove that a turning point of our life, and we use those skills in our future projects. We use those skills to develop anything that we want to develop. We use those skills to create something big, to make that particular thing, particular project successful. Like I studied Bachelor in Commerce in my college, and I felt like this thing never worked for me, because that was about accountancy and income tax and all these kind of things. Right now I'm not doing. I'm in a retail sector. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a motivational speaker, and I'm a life coach as well. So I thought these things never worked in my life. But now I realize these kind of things helped me a lot to learn about the people. These kind of things gave me the experience, and those experiences helped me a lot to gain more experiences, because there was something missing in those experiences, and those missing things, those missing parts helped me to nurture, to find the missing parts, and I fulfill myself with those missing parts. when I joined the Lenskart Academy. Whether I'm not using those skills, but it was just a minor example. But still, these experiences are helping me a lot. And still, these experiences are making me stand out above from the people. And that's how what we learn, these skills helps us in a true sense, now or never. Once you will use all these kind of experiences, all these kind of skills once in your lifetime, and whenever you will feel proud to yourself, you will feel fit to pits on yourself that you have learned those skills, that you have tried those things, and all these things becomes a part of your personality. And by trying different skills, you have been putting yourself in different situations, and you are facing new challenges, and that's how you are gaining the experiences and solving the problems. The problem solving attitude develops in this way, and every challenge, every project teaches us something new, and these kind of challenges helps us to tackle future situations. And that is how it is important to experiment. Mostly people says that we can do experiment at the particular age. According to the society point of view, when we want to settle in the society, there is a time limit that we shouldn't do any kind of experiments, especially when we are just about to 30, because we have to fulfill our responsibility. We have to be settled in our life. We have to be remain stable in terms of the financial stability, but we can do the experiment. I agree, we have to be stable, we have to be stay for a while, so that we could fulfill the desires and dreams of our loved one, so that we could live a stable life, so that we could make our ends meet. But experiments we can do throughout our whole life side by side. I'm not saying that keep doing experiments and leave your original job that is successful. Do the experiments, but you have to prepare yourself for plan B as well. The plan B should be resonates with your original skill, so that if that plan doesn't work, then you don't need to focus on that another plan B and make your time to prepare separately for that plan B. It is the main thing. Try different kind of things, keep experiment in your life, and keep experimenting the more you want. It is the true sense of growth, and that's how we grow in our life. And if we are growing, then actually we are living. If we just not doing anything, it means we are dead. We don't have life. Life is all about growth. Life is all about progress. Life is all about continue going in this journey. Grow through what you go through. The real power is in you. No one is you. No one is you. That is your real power. So identify that power. No one like us. We all have different skills. We all have different beliefs. We all have different mindset. We all have different ideas. How much different we are. That is our power. Identify that power. Use those ideas. Apply those ideas in yourself, and work for the community, work for yourself, work for the overall well-being of the planet Earth, and bring the smiles on everyone's face. Make the world a better place to live, and find yourself when you will lose yourself in the service of others, and that's how you will find your real power. That's all I've got to say about this. Signing off, Vivek Kumar, your buddy. Bye bye.